In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Asana. Whether you're wrapping up a productive day or just switching accounts, logging out is a simple but essential task. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to the Asana website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to app.asana.com. Once you're there, it's time to log in using your credentials. Start by entering your email address on the login page. Make sure you type it in correctly to avoid any login errors. Next, you'll see a button labeled Continue. Go ahead and click that. This takes you to the password entry field. Enter your password with care, ensuring that caps lock isn't on unless it's part of your password. Remember, keeping your password secure is crucial to maintaining the safety of your projects and personal information. Once you're certain you've entered your password correctly, click on the Login button. This action takes you to your Asana homepage where you can see all your projects and tasks. It's always a good habit to ensure you successfully log into any application, particularly if you're planning to make changes or need to access sensitive data. Now that you're on your homepage, let's focus on logging out. This part is straightforward. Look at the top right corner of your Asana screen. You should see your profile icon there. If you're multitasking or tend to have numerous tabs open, it can be easy to overlook these icons, so take a moment to locate it. Having found your profile icon, click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, offering various options for managing your profile and application settings. Within this menu, you'll see an option that says Log Out. Click on Log Out to securely exit your account, and there you have it, you've successfully logged out of Asana. Always make sure you log out, especially on shared or public devices, to protect your information from unauthorized access. This small step can make a big difference in safeguarding your personal and work data. If you have more questions about Asana or any other tech-related queries, feel free to stay tuned for more how-to guides. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and keep organized with Asana.